घर नाशिल्ल्या गोयच्या बायलांक खास करून मानसीक अपंगूळपणाक तोंड दिवपी बायलांक आदार दितले. समाज कल्याण विभागाचो संचालक अजित पंचवाडकरान सांगला. गोय पुलिसांचोय आदार मेळटलो अशेंय तांणी सांगला. गोयच्या घर नाशिल्ल्या बायलांक आनी अपंगूळपण आशिल्ल्यांक गोय सरकारच्या वतीन पुराय मजत मेळटली आनी तांकां तेंको मेळटलो अशें स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साचो वांगडी डॉनाल्ड फर्नांडिसान सांगला. समाज कल्याण खात्या वांगडा वुमन आनी चायल्ड डेव्हलपमेंटा सांगातान ही मोहीम सरकारान आंखल्या. अशा बायलांची म्हायती दिवची अशें अजित पंचवाडकरान सांगला.
Today is 1st January 2024. We are in the Social Welfare Office with the Social Welfare Director Ajit sir, and we are discussing today women on the street who are Goan suffering from disabilities. So in this month of January we are attempting to find women on the street who are Goan suffering from mental disabilities and get them rehabilitated into shelter homes. Now we have approached Social Welfare and Women and Child Department to support us along in this initiative, along with Goa Police, and it is time now in the new year to do something for people on the streets because it's a new year, new resolution. So the entire month of January we will attempt and we'll request public also to, if they find any Goan woman on the street or they know somebody suffering from mental disabilities, roaming around the street, taking off her clothes, sleeping in bus stops, parks, in unwanted places, it's time to help them.
Department of Social Welfare is associated with the destitute, senior citizens, widows, so as to say those who are underprivileged, and our attempt is to basically help them, assist them in order to lead a healthy life. That's the one priority, and we have seen that it's difficult for them to make two ends meet. Sometimes they have to sleep hungry and all those kind of problems and issues they have, and also some health problems. So we are very happy that we are having very supportive and very efficient NGOs and people like Donald for Street Providence who are not only doing a fantastic job here in the state but in other rest of the parts of the country. So
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गांवकर आनी निखिल जल्मी.